here I am as promised. Let's go over our vocab and then take a look at our assignment. So this is a long chapter and we have a lot of vocabulary. Let's take a look and then knock out your assignment. Persecute, to treat a group of people cruelly or unfairly. Constitution, a document that describes how a country will be governed and guarantees people certain rights. To boycott means to protest by refusing to do something. It's like you boycott tea, you don't buy any tea from Britain. Popular sovereignty, the idea that government is created by the people and should act according to their wishes. Limited government, a government whose powers are restricted by laws or a document, such as a constitution. Let's see, an estate, a social class in France before the French Revolution. They were called the Three Estates. I think we learned about that. The bourgeoisie, the middle class in France. The coup d'etat, often called a coup, a change in government in which a new group of leaders takes power by force. So if there's a coup, it's like a violent takeover. Nationalism, the desire of people with the same customs and beliefs for self-rule. Guerrilla warfare is a form of war in which soldiers make surprise attacks on the enemy. It's like a lot of indirect attacks, not like here's my side, here's your side, boom, let's fight. It's like sneak attacks, no direct contact kind of thing. Kaiser, the Emperor of Germany. Abolition, the movement to end slavery. Industrialism, an economic system where machines do the work that was once performed by animals or humans. Going to learn all about the Industrial Revolution. A corporation is a type of company that sells shares in the company to investors. Kind of like we talked about, I think we talked about joint stock companies. A corporation is basically a legal entity with many owners of a business. Urbanization is the increase in the proportion of people living in cities rather than in rural areas. So people are moving into the cities. That's urbanization. Liberalism is a political philosophy based on the Enlightenment ideas of equality and individual rights. Utilitarianism is the idea that society should promote the greatest happiness for the greatest number of people. Socialism, the idea that the means of production should be owned and controlled by the people through their government. It's owned by the government. Proletariat, the working class. There you go. Labor union, an organization of those employed who work together to improve wages and working conditions. So there we go. Forgot to mention we're going to learn a little bit about different types of governments, like the differences between capitalism and communism and socialism and stuff like that. Because these things are going to pop up in this historical time period we are studying. Your assignment, it's your standard pick and choose assignment. So you have options 2. You can write the 10 separate sentences or the story or poem or something creative using 5. Just be sure to bold it for me. I turned on the recordings. If you want to do a recording, I usually throw you a bonus point or 2 for doing a recording. It's your choice though. Alright, that's it. Here's your assignment, and we'll start lesson 1 on our next school day. Have a good one.